I am making this video, this particular video is to open your eyes, because many of you jambers do not know what is about to happen. The exam is just few days from now, right? And I need you to pay attention. Just give me your attention for the few minutes I will be in this video with you. Number one thing you need to understand is, last year, I will not lie to you, many people failed JAMB, and this year too, many more people will fail. This is the reason. Last year we had 1.9 million persons registering for JAMB. This year we have 2-something million persons registering. And that last year, 77% of the 1.9 million persons that wrote JAMB last year failed. And they failed because of a few things they missed. And these are the things I want to point out to you now that we have few days to the JAMB exam. Look at this. You see this circle? This big part of the circle represents those that score below 200 in their JAMB. Can you see? This big circle represents those that score below 200. That is those that failed. Those that failed. Can you see this the most tiny area? This most tiny area represents those that were able to score 300 and above. Those that we can say that they succeeded. I am telling you this so that you pay attention to the few tricks I'm going to reveal to you here. Number one, now that your exam is very close, now that I'm making a lot of videos for you and all the rest, but now that the exam is very close, beyond what you study, beyond the reading, trying to cover the syllabus, pay attention to what goes on inside the exam hall, inside the JAMB CBT hall, computer-based hall. You already know that the exam itself is not written with pen and paper. So how is the interface? I want you to pay attention, make a research, find out what happens inside the JAMB hall. What are you supposed to bring when coming in? And when your system is on, of course you know the system is set to 2 hours. Once you on your system, it begins to reduce, the time begins to get down. I don't need you to get into the hall and mess up after all this time of stress and preparation, right? So you have only 40 seconds for the 180 questions JAMB will give you. There will be 60 questions in use of English. There will be 40 questions in the other 40 questions in the other subjects, 3 subjects, making it 180 questions. In each of those 180 questions, you have only 120 minutes to answer. Are you with me? You can see why this exam is not child's play. So I need you to familiarize yourself with how to use the computer. If you don't know it, let me know in the comment section. Also familiarize yourself with how to use the JAMB calculator. I've done a video. I think I've done a video on the JAMB calculator. Do you know why? Because JAMB will not give you or permit you to come into the hall with a calculator. You are not permitted to enter the JAMB hall with any calculator. You are not permitted to come with scientific calculator. On the screen of that JAMB or of that computer that will give you, there will be a calculator there. So I need you to right now pay attention, find out how those aspects works. Find out how that aspect of JAMB exam works. Find out what you should do. What are the materials you need to enter the JAMB hall with? What are the materials you are not permitted, like your phone, your calculator? You are not permitted. Anything that will implicate you, you are not permitted to enter the hall with it. Take note of these things. I am telling you because this is final preparation. We no longer have time. Okay. When you have done that, if you have questions around those areas, please let me know. You have questions around that area, let me know. The next thing you need to know is print your exam slip and find out where your own exam will be happening and the time. I expect you to be there 2 hours before your time. If you have exam by 3, make sure before by 1 you are there. You have exam by 12, make sure by 10 you are there. You have exam by 6 or 7, make sure you find somewhere to sleep. Maybe if you have exam, for those of you that are in Enugu, if you have exam in Mponketa and you are in Nsukka, ensure you come up a day before the exam so that nothing will distract you. And for those of you that are in the southeast, JAMB doesn't know anything like sit at home, right? Have these things at the back of your memory. Prepare yourself early enough. I'm giving you final reminder and final warning. Very, very important. Ensure you are there, settled 2 hours before time, and get ready. Another thing is, there's nothing like expo. Anybody telling you they will give you expo, they will upgrade your score, they will give you expose the questions. It is not possible. Why? Because you will not know the type of questions you will get before you enter. You know, for instance, use of English, you have type A, type B, type C, type D. The person close by you may be writing type D, you are writing type B, another person is writing type C. So the questions will vary completely. Let this be in your mind. Having said that, I want to encourage you to begin to tidy up your study. Right now, focus a lot of your energies on revision. What did I say? Revision. If you started preparing for JAMB 2 years ago, 6 months ago, 3 months ago, 1 month ago, this is not the time just to be focusing on reading up new topics. No. Some of you will read up a topic, forget it, then read up another topic, forget the ones you have read. Pay attention to those past topics you have read. Go back and review them. Go back, those concepts, the synonyms, the full meanings of words, the formulas for solving, everything. Get a book for revision. Go back. Begin now to tidy up your preparation. I have encouraged you to bring out at least, now that the exam is few days, bring out at least 8 hours for your study, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, 2 hours at night. Or if it is not 2 hours, find a way to make it up. But ensure that you are reading at least 8 hours. We have few days to the exam. I know why I'm telling you this. Let me show you again if it will motivate you. Look at this circle again, so that you don't belong to the bigger circle of those that failed. Now, make out at least 50% of the 8 hours, 50% of your study right now should be on revision. 50% of your study right now should be on what? Revising your book. And please, let nothing distract you. Revise your book with past questions. Do a lot of past questions. And do a lot of past questions. In our channel, I've done a lot of videos on past questions, the answers, expo questions, expected questions on use of English, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, all of them. Do you want me to give you the link to all of them so that you become serious with them, studying with them? If you need them, let me know. Ask me in the comment section and I will give it to you free of charge. Remember, any material you need the JAMB syllabus, you need JAMB past question, anything you need. If you need me to give you JAMB past question, please ask me. I will give you free of charge. If you need me to give you JAMB syllabus, I will give you free of charge. Any direction you need, ask me in the comment section. But remember, you must be a full member of our channel. How do you become a full member? We pay attention to only members. You become a member when you join our YouTube channel. So click on join and join our YouTube channel. And also share this video, like this video, and subscribe. Once you do these things, I can give you any material you need. Any one of them you do, remember the compulsory thing for you to do is to join our YouTube channel right now. Click on join and join. Then share this video, like this video, and subscribe. Once you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. I am waiting for you under the comment section to read your challenges, your problems, and how you want me to help you right now.